all systems are go for launch, so let's listen into the terminal count and watch as Falcon 9 takes our stack of Starlink satellites into orbit.
T-minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition and liftoff.
Stage 1 chamber pressures are nominal.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
At T plus 40 seconds into flight, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off
Telemetry are nominal.
from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, carrying our stack of Starlink satellites to orbit. Now we are throttling down that first stage in preparation for Max Q. Max Q stands for, and there's that call out for Max Q. This is the largest structural load that the vehicle sees. Now, coming up in about a minute, we'll have 3 events happening within seconds of each other. That'll be main engine cutoff, or MECO, stage separation, and SES1, or second engine start 1. Now, MECO is where all 9 of the M1D engines shut down, and that slows the vehicle down in preparation.
Vehicle is following a nominal trajectory.
That slows the vehicle down in preparation for the second event, stage separation.
MVAC engine chill has begun.
And stage separation is where the first stage separates from the second stage. First stage will make its way back to Earth, while second stage continues on its journey with SES1, or second engine start 1. And that's where we light up the MVAC engine, and it will propel the second stage along with the Starlink satellites to orbit. And we're just under 30 seconds away from those 3 events. Again, that is MECO, stage separation, and SES1. And we've got a really cool view of the first stage and those 9 Merlin 1D engines burning bright.
Stage separation confirmed.
And there you saw MECO and stage separation. On your left-hand screen is the first stage, with the right-hand screen being the second stage. And you can see SES1, that MVAC engine is now glowing bright red there. And in a few seconds from now, we should have fairing deploy.
Separation confirmed.
And there you can see on your right-hand screen, the fairing has deployed. As a reminder, we will be attempting to recover the fairing halves today with our recovery ships, Mystery and Mischief.
Stage 1 engine burn started.
And there you can see on your left-hand screen as that view lights up, those 3 engines are burning bright, helping to slow the vehicle down as it enters back into the Earth's atmosphere.
Stage 1 engine burn shut down.
We did have a call out for entry burn conclusion. Got a live view from the drone ship on your left-hand side. We did get a little bright glow no longer see a flame there. Your right-hand screen, stage 2 is still looking nominal.
Stage 2, FTS is saved.
Not recover this booster, but our second stage is still on a nominal trajectory. And there's that call out for SECO, as I mentioned earlier. That is second engine cutoff 1. Again, we are doing 2 burns for this MVAC engine.
Nominal insertion orbit.
And there's that.
Signal Cape.
There's that call out for a good orbit. So now stage 2 is going to coast in this orbit for the next 35 minutes or so. So we'll see you back here at T plus 45 minutes for a second stage relay.
INVAC ignition.
And there you could see when we had a live view that very, very short burn. It did not look like much, but just that 1 second burn
Nominal
is
orbit insertion.
that 1 second. Now the second stage did start to spin along its central axis to give the Starlink satellites the momentum they need to space themselves out.
Starlink deploy confirmed.
And what you're looking at on your screen are these Starlink satellites drifting away from second stage. This is confirming deployment of our payload. Shortly, they will deploy their solar array, and over the next few days and weeks, they will distance themselves from each other and use their onboard ion thrusters to make their way to their operational orbit. And that brings our webcast to a close. Thank you to the Range and the FAA for supporting today's mission. And thanks to all of our viewers and every one of you that has signed up or placed an order for service. Thanks for joining us, and have a great night.